Welcome to day one of your Rooted in the Unknown journey. Wherever you are, whatever you've been carrying, let this be your moment to fully arrive. Not in yesterday, not in tomorrow, but here, now. Take a slow breath in through your nose and a long, gentle exhale out through your mouth. Again, breathe in and breathe out. As you listen, there's nothing to do, nowhere to go, just be here. Begin to notice the sensation of your feet connected to the ground or floor. Feel the contact points, solid, steady. Now bring awareness to the seat of your body, the chair, the cushion, or the surface beneath you. Supported, held. Gently lengthen through your spine. Feel the crown of your head floating lightly upward, and the weight of your body settling downward. Here you are, rooted, present, enough. Now bring gentle awareness to your toes, your feet, your ankles, lower legs, your knees, thighs. Notice the sensation of contact, of support beneath you. Bring awareness to your hips and your pelvis, your lower back, middle back, upper back. Feel your body settling into the surface beneath you. Now your chest, your shoulders, your arms, hands, fingertips. Finally, bring awareness to your neck, to your jaw, your face, your eyes, your brow, softening each as you breathe. Let your entire body rest, aware, present, and grounded. Now we'll practice a simple breath to anchor even more deeply. It's called box breathing, a steady rhythm of 4 counts. I'll guide you through the 4 counts. Ready? Begin. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Again. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, and 4. 2 more. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Last one. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. With your body settled and your breath steady, I invite you to visualize a beautiful ancient tree. Imagine its trunk, strong, steady, rooted deep into the earth below. With each breath, feel your own body like this tree, your feet and legs as strong, grounding roots. Each breath drawing energy upward from the earth. Now visualize these roots growing deeper, anchoring you further into the present moment. No past, no future, just now. Feel the solidity of the earth below you. Feel the breath of life flowing through you. With each inhale, stability. With each exhale, release. You are rooted. You are here. And you are enough. As you rest in this state, take notice. What sensations are present in your body right now? What emotions, if any, have shifted? What clarity has arisen? Gently bring awareness back to your breath. Remember, this moment, this breath is always available to you as an anchor. Notice, how do you feel? What has shifted, even slightly, from when you began? When the unknown feels overwhelming, remember this moment, this breath is your anchor. You can return to this grounding anytime. In one breath, you are home. Thank you for showing up today, for choosing presence over panic, and for being here, rooted in this now. When you're ready, open your eyes and gently transition to your journal reflections for today. We'll meet you again tomorrow.